Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite with a joystick on PC. First, connect your favorite joystick or gamepad to your computer. You can use a USB cable for a wired connection or Bluetooth for wireless freedom. Make sure your controller's drivers are current to ensure smooth operation. Once connected, open Fortnite and head straight to the settings menu to start customizing your experience. Now, let's dive into Fortnite's in-game settings. Navigate to the Controller Options tab where you can fine-tune your keybinds. Adjust your sensitivity for building, editing, and combat to find what feels most comfortable and effective for you. Don't forget to experiment with dead zone settings. This helps prevent any accidental movements from your joystick, ensuring precise control during intense battles. For a more advanced setup, explore the Builder Pro or Combat Pro layouts. These preset configurations can significantly improve your building and combat efficiency. You can also fine-tune the aim assist strength to give you an edge in targeting opponents. Furthermore, consider creating custom keybinds for actions you use frequently, like switching weapons or deploying builds, to gain a competitive advantage. The key to mastering Fortnite with a joystick on PC is consistent practice. Spend time in creative mode to get comfortable with your new settings and develop muscle memory for building and editing. Watching professional players who use joysticks can also provide valuable strategic insights. Remember to regularly review and adjust your settings as your skills grow, ensuring you always perform at your very best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.